News updates from Pahalgam terror attack. In the aftermath of the horrific terror attack in Pahalgam that claimed the lives of 26 civilians, India's top leadership swiftly mobilized to address the escalating security concerns in Jammu and Kashmir. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh chaired a high-level security meeting in New Delhi to assess the situation and formulate an effective response to the incident. The strategic session was attended by key figures in India's national security apparatus, including National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Indian Air Force Chief Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, Army Chief General Manoj Pandey, and Navy Chief Admiral Dinesh Tripathi. The central agenda of the meeting was to evaluate the ground-level security scenario in the Union territory and to devise robust counter-terrorism strategies to prevent future attacks. The Defence Minister emphasized the need for coordinated intelligence sharing, rapid response deployments, and enhanced surveillance in vulnerable regions. Discussions also revolved around tightening border security and recalibrating standard operating procedures in light of evolving terror threats. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, displaying urgency and commitment, cut short his official visit to Saudi Arabia and returned to New Delhi. He later held a closed-door meeting with NSA Doval and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar to discuss both the internal security implications and the international response to the attack. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah travelled to Srinagar to personally oversee the situation on the ground. He met with grieving families of the victims, reviewed ongoing investigations, and assessed the preparedness of local security forces. Shah reiterated the government's zero-tolerance stance on terrorism and assured that those responsible would face swift and decisive justice. The coordinated efforts by India's top defence and political leadership underscore the seriousness with which the government is responding to the Pahalgam terror attack. It also highlights a renewed focus on national security, regional stability, and a united front against terrorism in all its forms.
Şu fazla mungkin something status पे हैं ये मतलब movement में continue है पटे